Hello. When developing Verilog, you often want to create a test bench, run simulation, and then record simulated results in form of VCD file, a value change dump. You can use multiple viewers to see VCD, like GTK Wave, but when you are within Visual Studio Code, you have more options. You can go to install VCDrom plugin. It will take just a second. Then you can open your project and create a WaveQL file, my WaveQL. Think about it as a signal list, the file in which you will put all the signals you want to see. Second, you need to right-click on VCD file and say VCD to VCDrom, and you will see timeline. Now you can look at your design and add some signals into your WaveQL file. First, you need to go inside test bench. Then you can select, let's say, clock and reset. Notice that when you select something, when you start typing, it will help you with finding a right signal by name. And notice that test bench is italic, means you're going into hierarchy level. And also you can zoom in, zoom out your waveform and scroll it. Now you come to the another module, instance U0, and now you go into it. So U0 is a counter and has output that is available within that level. If you want to go out of module into some other place in hierarchy, use ... and when you back to test bench, and then you can use seed. That's a signal within test bench. This way you can collect and organize your signals and levels of hierarchy, and then save this file. Next time you want to see, you want to resimulate, or you want to see WaveQL again, you double click on it, and then you send it a VCD file and start navigating again. Thank you.